Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of DropBox app weekly settings. In this page, you will go here to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about DropBox. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.